Here we will be discussing about another example of division Pteridophyta, and that's Equisetum. Equisetum is commonly called as horsetail. This is how exactly it looks. The plant body of Equisetum has an aerial part and an underground part. The rhizome is usually the underground part, which is perennial. Perennial in the sense it is going to last for many years. This portion of the plant, that is underground rhizome part, it is going to last for many years. Annual, perennial and annual, these are the two terms. Perennial in the sense which is going to last for many years. Annual means the lifespan is of only 1 year. So the rhizome part of the Equisetum is perennial in nature, and it grows horizontally and it is branched at various points. The aerial part is herbaceous. The aerial part is herbaceous and usually annual, and that is it is going to this part, it is like a lifespan of 1 year. And majority of these species are having a height of about some height in centimeters, for about some 50 to 60 centimeter, except one species called as Equisetum giganteum, which ranges to about 13 meters. These show vine-like habit, vine in the sense bully, vine-like habit, and climb over adjacent trees. Apart from this, Equisetum generally flourish very well in moist and wet damp habitats, particularly common on the banks or streams of irrigation canals and all. Some species are also capable of growing in xeric condition, which includes Equisetum arvens. So Equisetum arvens is a species which can grow even in a less water habitat. So very commonly found Indian Equisetum species includes Equisetum arvens, Equisetum debile, Equisetum diffusum likewise. Now these some of the species of Equisetum are also known as indicators of the mineral content of the soil. They are going to accumulate the minerals present in the soil. That's the reason they are used to explore sites wherever there is ore deposition. Apart from this, Equisetum has a silica deposited on the outer wall. Outer wall of the Equisetum has a deposition of silica. That's the reason they have a characteristic rough feeling. Thus, it provides a protective covering against the predators and pathogens. Rough feeling in the sense, obviously, it is going to provide protection against these enemies, which includes predators. And apart from this, in earlier days, because of this rough feeling, they used this Equisetum as a scrubber. They used to clean their pots, clean their vessels, clean their vans with the help of this outer layer. So these are some of the uses also of Equisetum. So this was an introductory session regarding Equisetum habit and habitat. Thank you.